Hi, my name's Steve Yalasov. I built this website to help other faculty members around the world who want to try to adopt some of the methods that I've been using. I also wanted to thank Eric Mazur from Harvard, who developed a lot of these techniques and was the first to show me how to do this kind of teaching. This very highly engaged, deep learning environment that we put our students into is really remarkable. The instant you try this, you will never go back to any other kind of teaching. Yet, it must seem very daunting if you're used to giving a traditional lecture. How would you actually go about converting your lecture to using all of these team-based, project-based methods? It might look really confusing. So I built this website to make it a little bit easier to convert, because actually there's a simple workflow. You're going to use the same syllabus you've always used, every last bit of it. You're also going to use the same reading assignments that you gave to the students. You're going to use the same homework, except you might make it a little harder. And you're going to use the same lectures, except you're not going to give them. You're going to use the lectures to figure out what activities you're going to do in class. And finally, you're going to use the same exams, except maybe make them a little better. And we're going to do it so that we can celebrate our students failing so they learn. We don't do that enough in education. So we do that simply by allowing them to fail without penalty until the exam time, and even there, we let them fail on the individual part, but then they succeed when they get 50% of their grade by learning how to do it correctly at the end. Let me just mention that almost every faculty member has probably had the same experience I've had, where I have a box full of final exams that I leave out for the students to pick up at the end of the term. And that box sits there for months and months and months, and nobody ever bothers to pick it up. And that's really sad, because that means not only don't they care about how they did, they don't care about what they actually know. They could care less because they finished the class, it was just the grade. And so in this method, we get rid of that and we make it useful.